Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Tuesday, November 25th, 2025. Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the weekly chart. We did close clearly below that 187.87 rising channel bottom last week. That sets up 159.93 as our next kind of 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week target. And I'll pull up the daily chart as well to show the equivalence. I'm kind of looking for it right now. There it is, 160.42 on the daily. So you can see this area down here. We also have a descending channel bottom. So this is exactly what we see on the daily chart, slightly different numbers than we see on the weekly chart. And, selling the 187 handle. 187.76 is that rising channel bottom on the daily chart. And then you've got the same structure at 187.87 on the weekly. This is your resistance for the week, below which we maintain a 2 to 3 week target at the 160.42, 164.76 area, which is narrowing daily, and over the next few days will converge to a single point. This could be by the end of next week. It could potentially be by the end of this week if we were, for instance, to close today below 177.19. This is a soft intraday pivot point, above which the 187 handle remains in reach today. And if we happen to, I'm just going to say, close below 177.19, we should fall by Friday's close into the 164.76 region, which is once again dropping daily and converging later this week with 160.42, where I might add profits can be taken on a short play that may have been established last week below 187.76, and you could even reverse and go long. As we move into the first quarter, we can round up nicely from here and push into the 219 to 229 region roughly within 2 to 3 months of testing 159.93. Now let's go with the upside.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
That if we do happen to push through 187, let's just go with the close above. I don't see pushing through a 187.87 as likely to yield 194.21 today. I just don't see it. We're coming into a holiday week and volatility may well be a little subdued. So let's just say that if we close today back above that 187.76 level, and you can go with 87 as well. We show it here, 87 actually. That is the same exact formation on the weekly chart, okay? If we close above that today, then 194.21 is likely tomorrow, Wednesday, where we could top out, possibly through the rest of the week. I mean, we have it as a session containment level only, but we have an abbreviated week. So if we test 194.21 on Wednesday, we're closed Thursday. Let's see what happens Friday. But I will say that closing above 187.87, closing above this area does once again neutralize bullish expectations. We did close above this, as you can see right here before this big spike. What was this? This was Wednesday of last week, and we had the earnings, which created a much higher opening, and we came falling back. This is a reversal unto itself, and we've got 187 as our ceiling. So sellable ceiling of resistance. If we do close above 187.87, my suggestion is to exit a short position. And you can consider going long. I don't have a problem with that either. I just don't see momentum shifting entirely in the upside direction unless we also close above 194.21. So I guess what I'm really saying is here, we could close above 187.87 and then spend a day, 2 or 3 inside of this 187.87 to 194.21 region. Stranger things have happened in NVIDIA. If we do close above 194.21 later in the week, that is your upward pivot through December, or at least into later December, the following 2 to 3 weeks roughly, then likely to push to 215.24. I will say, if you just ignore all this, if none of this happens, just looking on a weekly chart, If we close this week back above 187.87, I see 219.64 as a kind of a 2 to 3 month or sooner target anyway, and it could be within 3 to 5 weeks. 219.64 among other resistance levels. There's also 228.94, as I recall. Long-term wave counts up here that may contain buying not only through January, but even through the entire first quarter of 26. I think I've said it all. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We'll be putting out a stock pick today, Tuesday, another one on Thursday. We've got daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock, etc., etc., etc. So go to wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with that would be Wednesday's NVIDIA report. You have a great day.